Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Syami, and today I would like to talk about the overall market performance of Malaysia. Bursa Malaysia KLCI is one of the stock market index that serves as a benchmark for the entire stock in Malaysia, listed under the Bursa Malaysia. It consists of Malaysia 30 biggest stock. Usually, the investor would look to this index to see the overall market. Either the market of Malaysia is in a good or in a bad performance. As we can see in the graph, in the year 2019, the percentage return shown by this index was negative 6.02% and recovered back at the end of 2020, which the percentage 2.42%. This means that the overall stock performance in 2020 was at a good state, while in the year 2019 was not performing well. An economic indicator is a piece of economic data that economists use to view the existing or the potential investment prospect. Typically, on a macroeconomic scale, this measurement also help to determine and to see the economy overall performance. As you can see in Malaysia GDP, it continued to display a declining rate over time from 2019 until quarter 3 2020. In terms of production, growth, consumer expenditure, and the labour market, the COVID-19 outbreak have affected the economic environment of Malaysia. And we can see a continuous rebound in the country economic performance, as we can see in the third quarter of 2020, from 10 June to 2020, with the reopening of economic operation and the removal of travel ban. The unemployment rate fell modestly to 4.7% in this quarter because more economic activity reopened compared to 5.1% in the second quarter. Next, I will talk about the industry and the sector performance. The pandemic had numerous effects, but one of the big impact of the technology sector was the increase of the use of technology at work at home. This growth in acceptance was motivated by the needs of people in lockdown and the pivot to online working by many businesses. As a result, the technology market has got a significant boost. The tech sector has enjoyed a strong 2020 driven by people turning to more online solutions for their work and home life. The growth was boosted by the rebound result of manufacturing sector. Overall, the success in the third quarter was guided largely by the technology industry, which increased by 69.75 points on 31 December 2020 on Bursa Malaysian Technology Index, improved from the quarter 2, which is the lowest point since 2017, which is 23.18 point, due to the moving control order from the Prime Minister. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Gabi Hanafi. Now I will present about the Inari Amatan Berhad for fundamental and technical analysis. Inari Amatan Berhad is a Malaysia-based investment holding company that partakes in 3 business segments, which are electronic manufacturing services, original design manufacturer of electronic tests, and also measurement equipment. For the fundamental analysis, as we can see, Inari performance in terms of financial is slightly decreasing from year 2018 to 2020. For the year 2020, the revenue is lesser compared to the previous years because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has caused the global market to go down, and many businesses has closed their business to operate to cure the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, Inari company is effective in generating profits from their assets and the equities, where it shows a good ratio, although it is decreasing from year to year. Besides that, this company also involved in making 5G technology, where it has a good opportunity for investor to invest in this company. I recommend for the investor to invest in this company because it has a good financial performance and business that can benefit them in the future. Okay, for the technical analysis, the price has shown that uptrend movement from early of March until now. Besides, the price also has broken the resistance area, and also the bullish flat pattern, which indicates the price will go higher. I suggest for investors and traders not to buy this stock for now, as the price is at the highest of the company has made, and the RSI indicator also shows an overbought at the overbought area, which is level 70. Although the MACD and 20 although the MACD indicator 20 days EMA and 50 days EMA indicator shows a buy signal, I recommend for the investor to wait the price for pullback and at the resistance equal support area, and buy for the long term investment, as the fundamental and technical analysis are good for them to invest for the long term.
Okay, I would like to continue the presentation. I would like to talk about the MyEG Service Berhad. MyEG Service Berhad is an active in the creation and execution of the project for electronic government services and the procurement of other association service for the project for electronic government service, as well as investment holding. The business of the group are divided into two strategic sector division, which is government to citizen and government enterprise solution. Okay, government enterprise solution are non-interest facilities including software and business solution, system development and maintenance, and also e-service center. Okay, uh, as for the fundamental, okay, from the table, it states that financial data for MyEG Service Berhad from 2018 to 2020. Okay, as it stated already on the table, we can see that the performance of the financial of this company has increased from 2018 to 2019, but for the year of 2020, it dropped drastically. Okay, for 2019, this company gained the highest revenue, and 2020 stayed the lowest from 2018 to 2020. Which is, as we can see in the table, it is state RM 593,578 ringgit, and RM 382,000 and 173 ringgit respectively. Okay, in terms of ratio, this company has quite a good ratio for return on asset, which is 14.4% in 2018, 31.6% in 2019, and 19 and 16.5% in 2020. Okay, and for the return on equity, even though the ratio is unstable, but it still can manage them, which is 22.6% in 2018, 47.5% in 2019, and 24% for 2020. Okay, we recommend for investor to invest in this company, as this company is good in managing their fundamental. Okay, from the technical analysis perspective, the price shows an uptrend movement in the monthly time frame or the monthly level from the middle of the year of 2020 up until now. Okay, the price also exceeds the latest resistance and waiting for retracement at the moment. Okay, the price also can be confirmed to be in uptrend movement after the retracement, as the price has broken the major downtrend trend line and indicate the price will go higher. Okay, the MACD indicator also shows the price already indicate the buy signal from previous. So I suggest for the investor to wait for the price to retrace towards the resistance equal to support. Okay, the EMA 20 and EMA 100 also do not show any sign to buy. So I suggest for the investor again to wait for the retracement before deciding to enter the market. So the investor can enter the market at the resistance equal to the support. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I'm Muhammad Shazali Zamir. I'll continue on the next company, which is JF Technology Berhad. The firm is an investment holding which engage in the manufacturing, marketing, trading, and the distribution of electronic products and components. In addition, the firm engage in design, development, custom manufacture, and equipment for the semiconductor. Geographically, it operates in Malaysia, China, Japan, Taiwan and Philippines. Okay, next for fundamental analysis. Based on the table, it shows the financial details of JF Technology Berhad from 2018 to 2020. As we can see, the company financial shows an increasingly from year to year. The decreasing performance in 2018 is due to the firm offer a split stock to a new investor for buy at the fair price. As far as the fundamental analysis is important, we recommend that investor invest in this company because the company is ideal for long-term investment. Moreover, this company provides an innovation to the invest for fair justification. We continue for technical analysis. For technical analysis, the price shows an uptrend from early March to until now. On the area of current market price, the price has broken the resistance area at monthly level, plus a formation of bullish flag pattern and bullish pennant, which indicates the price will go higher. We suggest for investor not to buy this stock for now, as the price is at the highest price, since the RSI indicator is at the level 20 at level 70, which is an overbought area. Although the MACD, MACD, 20 days EMA and 50 days EMA indicators shows buy signals because the MACD did not cross below the signal line yet. We recommend for investor to wait for the price to pull back at the resistance become support area and buy for long-term investment, as the fundamental and technical analysis are good for them to invest for the long term.
UWC Berhad is a service provider funding integrated innovation based in Malaysia. The company provides manufacturing services that include various metalworking methods such as cutting, shaping and other related process. Next, we move to the fundamental analysis. The table reveals the performance of the fundamental analysis for UWC Berhad from 2018 to 2020. As the data stated from the table, from year to year, the performance for the financial of this company is in a very good condition. Okay. This is because of the revenue obtained for this company is increasing consistently. Next, in the perspective of ratios, this company shows that they manage the fundamental very well. As stated in the table, their return on asset and return on equity are quite strong. Even though on 2019 the return is slightly dropped, but on 2020 they managed to get back on their track. We recommend for the investor to invest in this company for a long-term period based on the ratios and revenues are in a good condition. Next, in the view of technical analysis, the price shows an uptrend movement from early March 2020. The price also shows that the market has kept an uptrend movement after the market has produced a bullish flag pattern that indicates the price will go higher. Next, the market also shows the price has broken the latest resistance to make a new higher high. The MACD indicator also shows a buy signal, as for the MACD line has crossed the signal line. And then the MACD histogram also has crossed the zero line that indicates the buy signal for the stock. The EMA 20 and EMA 100 also shows the market has already crossed in the early May 2020. I suggest for the investors to buy the stock as soon as possible. This is because the price shows more towards the price and will make a new higher price. I suggest also investor can wait for the retracement in the daily time frames before entering the market.